Hi there again. I hope your weekend has been going well for you. I know we've had some rain, some very heavy downpours causing some flooding at the beginning of the weekend, and even today some of us have had some heavy downpours up toward Fentress County, for instance, and scattered showers and thunder showers elsewhere. The almanac shows we didn't get a drop of rain since it came out at the airport. 83 was our high, 61 the low. That's pretty close to our average for this time of the year. And if we don't get any more rain, then we have a half-inch surplus for the month. That's way better than the first few months of this year, because each month we had a deficit going. That's why we're in a drought. We could use more rain, even though we've gotten quite a bit here recently. Well, to see what the U.S. Drought Monitor does next time it comes out, which will be on Thursday. Here's your forecast lows, getting down a lower to middle 60s overnight tonight. It'll be a little muggy still, and tomorrow we'll get up to around 82 to 84 degrees into the valley, a little cooler northward where temperatures will be closer to 80 degrees. We get a break briefly from those temperatures being normal or above. Tuesday and Wednesday we fall below, but then we rise back up into the middle 80s by the end of the week. However, more importantly, it's going to be a lot less humid, and that'll happen through the week. Muggy meters showing our dew points dropping down below 60 degrees for quite a while. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it may get up there a little bit, but it looks pretty good. Friday, not bad either. Not like it has been. We've had dew points closer to 70 degrees on many days, and then it starts to get a little more humid as we head into the weekend. Severe risk for tomorrow. There is. The SPC has put out this. We got a part of the area being clipped by a low level 1 severe risk possibility. That means 1 or 2 storms could potentially get severe. And the main reason would be for damaging wind and also damaging hail. Now, the reason is we have an MCS that may form, and I'll show you that in a minute. That means a multi-scale convective system. It's just a fancy word for a big cluster of storms that develops, and they typically fan out and can be severe. So let me show you that first. Here's Futurecast, 6 o'clock in the evening. We have a few showers and thunder showers that'll be moving on. So after midnight, we should be pretty quiet, and we'll start off the day with partly cloudy skies. Now, the clouds will thicken up. Here is that MCS. Now, this particular solution is showing it developing in the Show Me State, moving into St. Louis and the Boot Hill. But until it develops, don't know exactly where it's going to go. Some forecast solutions push it south and avoid us altogether. Now, this one, and maybe 1 or 2 others, brings in part of it just to the southern part of the valley and also into the plateau, and that's where our severe risk is. But most of it's going to be going and fanning out. See, it fans out like this and screams southward, may make it all the way down to the Gulf. And when it bows out like that, typically you got some severe wind out of it. For us, we'll quiet down after that, and then on Tuesday, we dry up. High pressure builds in, dry air comes into play for the rest of the week. And we're going to have plenty of sunshine too. Potential rainfall, primarily the heavier amounts could be down in the south. Of course, if that MCS happens, and you would get some heavy downpours briefly with some of those storms. Then we have a chance to dry up for quite a while now. We need that because the ground's super saturated, and that's been leading to some flash flooding and also flood advisories. So lots of sunshine Tuesday through Friday. We heat back into the middle 80s. There's another system that'll be forming, and in our forecast, perhaps late Sunday, more likely it will be the Monday and Tuesday thereafter. So hope you have a great week this week and a terrific start to June. I'll see you back here again soon.